Well, we come out of the lift. We're in the bellows of Salson Beach. Dark, it's a bit dark and gloomy down here. This is the 2-bedroom apartment we booked. Well, it is, there's got to be a shorter way than this. We'll find a shortcut. Oh, I know where we are now. Right, come on.
Found it.
Yep. Let's put a key in the door. Alright. Yes, a card. Right. This is a room view. It's right, we'll just take you through. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. And this is one of the first bedroom. Let's pan you around. Right, this is the first bedroom in at Salson Beach. Plenty of wardrobe space. There's a safe there as well. If you just come out here, right, you walk down to another bathroom. We'll get all the people out of the way. This is first of 2 bathrooms, full-size shower, cubicle, there's towels, and a nice clean basin. Very, very clean and modern. And we walk further down the corridor here. We walk to get into bathroom number 2. Same again as bathroom number 1, full-size shower, towels and shower gels. Come along the corridor, we walk to a second bedroom, very, very spacious bedroom here, very spacious. We've got wardrobes in here, yes, loads of space in these wardrobes. We've also got a nice sun terrace, a nice balcony, and this balcony wraps right round to the front. We'll just come out here and just go through the kitchen, cooker, sink, coffee machine as well, and also we've just noticed a full-size fridge with a freezer. Very, very clean, very clean. Let's have a look in these cupboards to see what's in. Oh, kettle, toaster. There's cups, glasses, and plates. Right, well, this is the front room. For all mod cons, the air conditioning, we've got a ceiling fan as well. That will pull down into a make-up bed. And we go out onto the balcony now. Now, this balcony, it wraps right round, like I've just said, from the second bedroom, which is there. Nice seating area, somewhere to hang out all your towels when you've been swimming. Not a bad view actually. You've got the Bradia, the restaurant down there, the grill, the marina, and all in all, quite chuffed with this 2-bedroom apartment. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to go and get changed and put some shorts on, and we're going to go out on a bit of adventures. Thanks for watching. Tune into the next one.